Arbitrationagreements.org. When it comes to resolving disputes, many people assume that court is the only way, but that's not true. Enter arbitration, a method of dispute resolution that is gaining popularity worldwide. Before we define what it means to arbitrate, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications, so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Now you might be wondering, how do you define arbitrate? In essence, to arbitrate is simply to take part in arbitration. It's a legal technique for the resolution of disputes outside the courts. Parties involved in a dispute agree to be bound by the decision of an independent and impartial third party, known as an arbitrator. That's right. The arbitrator or arbitration panel makes the decision, which is usually binding, much like a court's decision would be. Now let's delve into some of the key benefits of arbitration. Number 1, speed. Arbitration can be faster than court proceedings. A recent survey found that on average, international arbitration cases took 18 months from filing to award, whereas court proceedings took multiple years. Number 2, confidentiality. Arbitration proceedings and decisions are generally private, which can be a significant advantage for parties who prefer to keep their disputes in terms of resolution confidential. Number 3, control over process and decision makers. Parties often have the ability to select their own arbitrator and have more flexibility to decide the rules and timelines for their dispute resolution process. So remember, to arbitrate is to take part in arbitration, which is an alternative dispute resolution method that offers speed, confidentiality, and control. Do you need more information about arbitration? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Does it sound like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.